Hey guys, how's it going? I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys. Yes, I'm still sick, but bear with me. So, I got my Canon T3i. I ordered it on Christmas Eve. It was $9.99 for a whole package, and I'll show you guys. This is the box it came in. It's huge. So, and here's the T3i itself. I got the 75 to 300 millimeter lens with it, and I also got it's like a digital SLR kit. So yeah, I'll do an unboxing for all three of them. I'll do the lens first just because it's the smallest. And I don't really know much about it right now, but I'm going to be learning a lot, so I'll definitely do a review for you guys. There's the 75 to 300 millimeter lens, and in the accessory kit comes with a bag, Lower Pro. Get it open. Nothing fancy. It comes with 3 filters. UV multi-coat, circular PL, and ND times 8. Don't know what any of that means, but I guess I'm gonna learn. What a nice bag with all the filters on them. And it also comes with a Gorilla Pod tripod, so that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna open that right now just because it's like really hard plastic. And that was all that was in the box for the accessory kit. In the main event, the Rebel T3i. So this is just all warranty stuff, CDs. This is for Macs, this is for Windows. I guess just like a solution disk. Instruction manual that I'll probably be reading a lot of. Power cord. Strap. ABI cables, I believe, to plug into your TV. The battery pack, just similar to all the other Canon chargers. I have the Power Shot, and it looks exactly like this. I guess you have to plug it in because the battery is so big. USB cable, battery, and here's the lens that came with it. I believe it's 18 to 55 millimeter. So, in the main event, cloth. Here it is, the Canon T3i, and this is the one with the swivel screen. Main reason why I bought it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm super excited to play around with this, and when I know like a lot more about it, I will definitely do a review and tell you guys what I think about it. Okay, thanks.